And welcome back to the Social Stack 66-Day Challenge. Get started in social media. I'm Amy Stack, and today is day 57 of our challenge. We'll be talking about how to add a featured video. Excuse me. In this challenge, you will learn how to add a featured video to your channel, why you want to do this, and suggestions on the content to include in it. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, go ahead and start by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon to make sure you get updates. First, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what a featured video is. A featured video is content that you can show anyone that comes to your channel to see right away. So it's something that's going to sit right at the top of your channel above all of your other videos. There are two main types of videos that people put here. One is popular content and the other is a channel trailer. So a channel trailer is a video you make specifically to show viewers what they can expect from your channel, and it is typically set to only be seen by non-subscribers. People that are already subscribed to your channel understand what you bring to the table and will not necessarily need to see that trailer every time you come visit. So in that case, you can use the featured space to highlight the content you want to push or promote the most. This can be a trending topic, it can be an intro to a popular playlist, or it can be evergreen content that is frequently sought after by your target audience. If you're not familiar with that term evergreen, it's just like an evergreen tree. So it's green all the time, meaning it's fresh, people are looking for it, it's something that isn't necessarily going to be trending today and nobody's interested tomorrow. It's something that people are constantly seeking information on. So I want to show you a little bit of what that looks like, and then I will show you how to add that to your channel. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'm going to pull up my channel. There we go. We'll make that big for you guys to see. And you can see we are on the home screen of my channel right now. And right here we have a video that's showing above everything else, right? So this is our featured video. This is the space you'll always see that in. And you can see I have mine set to the beginning of a playlist. It's actually the beginning of this challenge. So to go ahead and set this up, what you want to do is make sure that you're on your channel home screen. And if you can't remember how to get there, remember you can just click your icon in the top right, and then you can hit it'll say your channel, but you can hit that button, your channel, to take you to the screen we are currently on. So once you're here, I'm going to go ahead and hit this customize channel button. And it's loading. Perfect. And then we're going to choose whether we want to do a video for returning subscribers or for new visitors. In either case, it's important to note that your video needs to already be uploaded to your channel before you come to this section. So if it's not already uploaded to your channel, then it won't be able to find it to upload to that feature area of your home page. So once you've got your video loaded in there, come on in here to this home section of the customized channel, and you'll see it right at the top. And you can see I do have one in here for a featured video for returning subscribers. I don't have one for new visitors just yet. It's on my list to do, but I want to show you that your screen probably will look like this, where it's blank, and go ahead and just click that plus button, and that will open up the screen that will allow you to view all of the videos you've already uploaded to YouTube. So you'll go through there and just click the one you want to make as that featured video, and then you would hit save. I don't want to use that one, so I'm going to hit cancel. But once you have the one you want, go ahead and hit save there, and it will pop in just like this one is on my returning subscriber featured video. If you've already got one in there and you want to change it, just hover over that section and you'll see the pencil pop up on the right. You go ahead and click edit there, and you'll have the same option to hit edit below your thumbnail and see all of the videos you've already uploaded. So again, you would just click on the video you want to swap out for and hit save, and that would update the video that you have listed as your featured video. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel there. So I want you to go ahead and tell me in the comments what topic you plan to use for your featured video, and then that's it for our challenge today. So that I conclude everything today, and I want you to come back tomorrow at 7:30 to join me for our next challenge, how to edit your home screen. So we'll be talking about how to edit the rest of this part of your home screen. I'll see you then.